Jack, we need to talk.
About what, sweetie?
I just don't think you're committed to this relationship. I mean, you're never home, you're always out drinking or looking for some treasure. When's the last time we had a long chat?
I don't know what you're talking about, Spock. I clearly remember a very long conversation at our wedding. And I'm not away from home all of the time.
Our wedding was 3 years ago, Jack. We need to solve this problems. I've booked us in for couples counseling. I feel like we need it and all of my friends agree.
Even Paula?
Yes, Jack, even Paula.
This is BS. Our relationship is perfectly fine and we don't need any help from anyone, especially Paula.
Don't talk about Paula like that. We're going to the counseling and that's that. Look, you're making me cry.
Fine, I'll go. But Paula is not coming to our next dinner party.